Namaste, dear students. I hope you have already learned the journal entries which I have already taught you in the previous class. So, if you have learned, let us solve the problem today. So, I am starting with a very basic kind of problem so that you will get an exact idea how to find the solution for the problem. Okay. So, let us start with the illustration number 1. Illustration number 1. Amarnath Trading Company Limited issued 40,000 equity shares at rupees 10 each to the public and amount payable as follows: rupees 2 on application, rupees 3 on allotment, rupees 3 on first call, rupees 2 on second and final call. All the shares were duly subscribed and amount paid. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of Amarnath Trading Company Limited. So, this is the problem which has been given here. So, as I said, it is the basic kind of problem. So, which will not have any kind of adjustment. Just we have to pass the journal entries for each of the transactions. So that the problem clearly says that 40,000 equity shares have been issued by the Amarnath Trading Company to the public. So they are collecting 10 rupees per share, and they are collecting that 10 rupees in 4 different stages, that is rupees 2 on application, rupees 3 on allotment, rupees 3 on first call, and rupees 2 on second and final call. So, and he has given the information that the entire shares has been subscribed and amount also paid. So, for this transaction, we are supposed to pass the journal entries. So, let us look into the solution part without further any delay.
Namaste, dear students. Hi, how are you all? Yeah, I hope you all doing good. So today I'm here to solve the problem, which the basic problem, that is Amarnath Trading Company Limited. So in a issue of shares lesson, so first we are supposed to draw a journal entry table. Okay, so let us draw a journal entry table. So journal entry table I am drawing. From here I am taking one credit column, debit column, then I have LF column, then one more column I have date column. So let me close at the top. Okay. So now give the heading journal entries in the books of Amarnath Trading Company Limited. So now the titles to the table. This is going to be a date column, and this is going to be a particulars column, and this is LF ledger folio. That means we are going to enter the ledger transaction number. So then we have a debit column, and then we have a credit column. So this is the table structure for journal entries, so which we are passing in Amarnath Trading Company Limited under issue of shares. Okay. So let us look into the problem. The problem said that So there is no any special adjustments. It is a direct problem. So where we are going to pass the journal entries directly because there is no adjustments has been given in this problem. Okay. So let us look into the journal entries part. So the first entry is for issue entry. That is receiving the cash. Clear? See, the public have purchased the application. Clear? When public have purchased the application, that means they have paid the money. When public have paid the money, the company have received the money. Clear? Who has received the money? Company have received the money. So through where public have paid the money? Through the bank. From where the company have received the money? From the bank. Clear? So which money they have received? That is first one. That is application. So here you have to remember that the entries will be like this. The first entry is always a receive entry. So which start bank account. And second entry is always transfer entry. That application money received is always transferred. And the third entry is for allotment money due, and fourth entry allotment money received. Fifth entry first call money due, and sixth entry first call money received. Sixth entry second and final call money due, and the seventh entry is going to be a receiving entry of second and final call. Clear? So this is how we are going to solve. So you have to remember 4 transaction, 8 journal entries. That means each transaction will have 2 entries. So first receive entry, second transfer entry, and third due, fourth receive, fifth due, sixth receive, seventh due, eighth receive entry. Okay. So let us start the receiving entry. So we are receiving the money from where? Bank. Clear? So take down bank account data 2. Which money I am receiving? On the first line of your problem, that is share application money. Correct? So 2 share application account. 2 share application account. So how many number of shares the company have issued? 40,000 shares. How many? 40,000 shares. So 40,000 into what is the application money? That is application value we are receiving. Rupees 2. So 40,000 into 2. 40,000 into 2 how much? 80,000 rupees. So debit bank account and credit share capital account. Clear? So now open the bracket and write the narration being share application money. What we have done? Share application money? Yes, receive. Share application money receive. So this is the first entry. So I am done with. So close. So first entry is always a receive entry. Okay. So next time further moving towards second entry. Second entry is always a transfer entry, I said. Clear? So why I am collecting application money? For the purpose of capital. Clear? For the purpose of capital. So let us go towards which money I have received. Share application money. Clear? Share application account data 2. To where we are supposed to transfer? To share capital account. To share capital account. So directly copy the amount. How much we have received against application? 80,000 and 80,000. So the narration is B share application share application, money transferred, to which account? To share capital account. To share capital account. So I'm done with the second entry. I believe you have understood. So what first entry is receive entry and second entry is transfer entry. So third entry then, it is a due entry, correct? So what is the due entry? So which amount is due now for the third? That is share allotment account. Clear? That is share allotment is due. So share allotment account data to share capital account. Share allotment account data to share capital account. Share allotment account data to share capital account. How many number of shares issued by the company? 40,000. And what is the allotment value? That is amount called. That is rupees 3 on allotment. So 40,000 into 3, that comes to 1,20,000 and 1,20,000. 1,20,000 and 1,20,000. So the narration is we share allotment money due. So this is going to be a narration for third entry because we are clearly saying that share allotment money is due. Clear? So next moving further to the fourth entry. So fourth entry is a receive entry. I said third entry is due. So fourth entry is receive entry. Clear? For receive entry we always say what? Bank account. Clear? So we bank account data to which money I am supposed to receive? Share allotment money, correct? So share allotment account. To share allotment account, the amount remains same. So that is 1,20,000 and 1,20,000. So write the narration. We share allotment money received. Share allotment money received. Okay. So I am done with the allotment due entry and allotment receive entry. So further moving with the same flow of the table. So let us move to the next transactions. So again I am continuing the column over here. So this column will come. Okay. So I am done with 4 entries. So now I am going to the fifth entry. So what is the fifth entry? First call money due. Correct? First call money due. So for the due entry, what is the entry? Share first call account. Share first call account data to share capital account. To share capital account. Okay. So now, how many number of shares issued by the company? That is 40,000 shares at rupees 3 each. So 40,000 into 3, amount comes to 1,20,000. 1,20,000. So the narration is we share first call money due. Share first call money due. Okay. So I am done with the due entry. So now let us go that are to share first call account. So the amount remains same, 1,20,000 and 1,20,000. 1,20,000 and 1,20,000. So the narration is being share first call money received. Share first call money received. Okay. So next I am moving further to the fifth entry. That is seventh entry. I'm sorry. So seventh entry is about due entry again. Clear? Due entry of second and final call. Okay. So first the entry. Share second and final call account that are to share capital account. Share second and final call account that are to share capital account. So what is the number of shares issued? 40,000 into rupees 2. That is rupees 2 of second and final call. So 40,000 into 2 is 80,000 and 80,000. So what is the narration? So narration is we share second and final call money due. Okay, so I am done with the due entry. So next I am moving on to the receive entry. So that is the last entry of this problem. So that is eighth entry I am passing now. So receipt entry is always starts from bank account that are to share second and final call account. So the amount carries the same, 80,000 and 80,000. So the narration is the same, we share second and final call money received. So give the narration, we share second and final call money received. Okay, so this is the last entry. So I am closing the table. So this is I am done with the last entry. So now we are done with the journal entries of all the transactions. So here you have to understand it is very simple to understand. One is receive entry and transfer entry. This remains common in all the problems. The entire journal entries will be common in all the problems, except is there any additional adjustment has been given in the problem. So the entry like bank account, record to share application account for receiving the application money, transferring the application money, that is share application account, record to share capital account, then due entry for allotment, share allotment account, record to share capital account, then receipt entry for allotment, bank account, record to share allotment account. Then first call due entry is share first call account, record to share capital account, then receipt entry for first call, bank account, record to share first call account. Then due entry for second and final call, share second and final call account, record to share capital account. Then receipt entry for second and final call money is bank account, record to share second and final call account. So I believe you have understood this structure. So that is journal entries of a basic problem. Clear? So now I am supposed to start a ledger account which is related to this account. Clear? So I have to solve the ledger account. Okay. So what I do is I will open the ledger account so that you can understand now. What I will do, ledger account I have to open. So let me open a bank account now. If you have copied this, so I am going to wipe it off and now I will open a clearer way. Okay. So let me open a bank account first. So let us open a bank account. So open bank account. So I am giving the title to this bank account. Bank account. So the columns for bank account is particulars rupees, particulars rupees, particulars rupees, particulars rupees, and this is going to be a debit side and this is going to be a credit side. Okay, so now while preparing bank account, you must remember from where or which are the sources I have received the money in a bank. Clear? So for that, you have to look into the journal entry and remember where all bank account is debited. That transaction you should show in the bank account. Clear? On the debit side. So for instance, take bank account is there in the first journal entry, but that is against what? Share application account. Getting my point? So first transaction is bank account. So I am taking that to share application account. To share application account. For application, how much I have received? 80,000 rupees. Correct? Bank account 80,000. Now, for allotment, how much I have received? Bank account 1,20,000. Which money it is? Share allotment account. So copy the same. To share allotment account. So how much? 1,20,000. So now to share first call account. To share first call account. So how much I have received in this first call? 1,20,000. Next, to share second and final call account. How much I have received? 80,000 rupees I have received. So that's all I have received. Did I have paid anything? No, right? So if I have paid, so that bank will reflect on the 2. That will be reflected on the credit column. So in this entire problem, all the transaction of the bank is in the debit column. So I have shown all the effects on the debit side only. So now total it. So that comes to 4 lakh rupees. That comes to how much? 4 lakh rupees. Okay. So now by balance carried down. How much in the bank account now? 4 lakh rupees. So there is a cash in the bank account is 4 lakh rupees. So I believe you have understood the bank account. So now let us open a balance sheet. Balance sheet. So I'm going to prepare a balance sheet. So let us open a balance sheet. Balance sheet as on that date. Balance sheet as on that date. Okay. So now open the columns for the balance sheet. So that is liabilities. Then we have rupees. Then we have assets. Then we have rupees. Liabilities, rupees, assets, rupees. Okay. So write down here, that is called up, comma, paid up, comma, issued, comma, subscribed, comma, issued, subscribed, called up, paid up, capital. So that is called up, paid up, then issued and subscribed capital, that goes to capital account. So how many shares the company has been issued? 40,000. What was the face value of the shares? Face value of the share is rupees 10 each, correct? Rupees 10 each. So 40,000 into 10, how much? 40,000 into 10 is 4 lakh rupees. 40,000 into 10 is 4 lakh rupees. So now come to this side, write fixed assets. Do you have any fixed assets in the problem? Like land, building, plant, machinery, anything? No, right? Fine. So nil. Then we'll go with the current assets. So we don't have any current assets except cash in hand. That is bank. That is cash at bank. So how much cash at bank I have? Balance carried down figure 4 lakh rupees. Cash at bank is 4 lakh. So both the side total 4 lakh and 4 lakh. So the balance sheet has been tallied. So we are done with a very basic problem number 1 under issue of shares, that is Amarnath Trading Company Limited. I hope you people have understood. Watch the video again and again for better understanding. And if you have any doubts, you are always feel free to call me back and approach me so that I will guide you. So I will clarify your all doubts. So I will come up with one more problem very soon. So until then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.